Did you know over 80% of patients today search online before choosing a doctor, clinic, or a diagnostic center? Yet, many healthcare providers remain invisible where it matters most, in Google search results. What happens when your future patients don't find you online? Hello, I am Ashish Navar from KarmaClicks Digital. In this video, I will explain why a strong digital presence is no longer optional for medical practitioners and healthcare providers, and what small steps you can take right now to improve it. We will also explore the real challenges that prevent many from making it work and how simple solution can change the game for your practice. Let's first understand the pain points of health service providers. First, digital invisibility. When patients search for doctors or clinics online, whose name shows up? Yours or your competitors? Study shows over 80% people now search online before visiting a doctor. Yet, many clinics don't even appear in local search results, meaning potential patients never even know they exist. Second, credibility gaps. Today, patients trust Google reviews more than traditional word of mouth recommendations. But many clinics don't have a system to collect or display these reviews consistently. If your clinic has few or no online reviews, patients may hesitate to choose you. Third, unpredictable patient flow. Relying on referrals means your patient numbers can fluctuate without warning. What happens if referrals slow down next month? Is your practice ready for that? Fourth, time constraints. Managing social media, websites, review requests. Doctors don't have time for all this. Their priority is patient care, not digital marketing. Fifth, tech overwhelm. Many agencies overpromise and underdeliver. Freelancers may seem affordable but leave you in the lurch. Without specialized knowledge in healthcare, most solutions don't fit your real needs. Sixth, lost revenue opportunities. Without a system to remind patients about follow-ups or tests, many don't return. This not only affects patient health but impacts your practice revenue. Finally, competition pressure. It's not always about who is the best doctor anymore. Newer clinics with aggressive online visibility attract patients not only because they are more skilled, but simply because they are more visible online. These are the real pressing challenges facing medical practitioners today when it comes to digital presence. Now that we understand the challenges, let's explore some simple DIY tips you can start applying today to improve your digital presence. First, claim your Google business profile. It's free and ensures your clinic appears in local searches. When patients type things like dentist near me or pathology lab in my city, make sure your address, contact number, and opening hours are accurate. Second, ask satisfied patients to leave a Google review after their visit. Few positive reviews go a long way in building credibility. Just a simple message via WhatsApp or email after an appointment can make a huge difference. Third, post regular updates on social media. Share health tips, clinic news, and even patient success stories, of course with their consent. This keeps your clinic visible and helps patients stay connected. Fourth, send simple appointment reminders via WhatsApp or SMS. A timely reminder reduces no-show and keeps your patient flow steady. These small steps don't require technical expertise but can improve your digital presence significantly over time. While these DIY tips sound simple, many healthcare professionals may struggle to implement them consistently. Let me explain why. Doctors are already stretched thin with patient care. Managing a Google profile, collecting reviews, or posting on social media takes time, and that they simply don't have. Not everyone is familiar with optimizing Google profiles and setting up automated reminders. Without technical knowledge, even small tasks can feel overwhelming and frustrating. Even if a clinic tries, consistency is hard to maintain. Posting reviews, updating business information, or sending reminders regularly is often forgotten in a busy schedule. These challenges don't reflect a lack of effort or care, but rather difficulty of balancing patient care with digital marketing demands. This is where KarmaClicks Digital comes in. At KarmaClicks Digital, we understand the unique challenges healthcare professionals face when it comes to digital presence. That's why we created Ecosys Medisphere, a complete done-for-you digital ecosystem designed specially for doctors, clinics, diagnostic centers, and hospitals. With Ecosys Medisphere, we take care of everything from setting up your website, Google business profile, to automatic patient engagements and collecting reviews. This means you can continue focusing on what matters most, treating your patients. Our goal is simple: make your expertise visible, credible, and easily discoverable online without tech overwhelm. Let me briefly explain the key features of Ecosys Medisphere that help you solve your digital challenges. We fully set up and optimize your Google business profile, so your clinic appears in local searches when patient searches for clinic near me or your specialty. This increases your chances of being seen by patients nearby. We automate reminders and follow-ups via WhatsApp or SMS, reducing no-shows and increasing repeat visits. This helps you maintain steady patient flow without additional effort. We create a clean professional website tailored for your practice, plus manage your social media presence, keeping your clinic connected and visible online. All these features work together as a seamless system designed to save your time, boost your online visibility, and build patient trust. In today's digital world, your expertise alone isn't enough to attract new patients. It's all about being discoverable, credible, and connected online. Every day you remain invisible online is a missed opportunity to help someone in need. If you'd like to explore how your clinic can build a powerful digital presence without any tech overwhelm or extra effort, you can visit our website or reach out to KarmaClicks Digital for more insights. Thank you for your dedication to healthcare and for taking time to watch this video. At KarmaClicks Digital, we are here to help you focus on what you do best, treating patients while ensuring the world can easily find and trust you online. Stay healthy, stay visible.